How to find someone in Discord. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video. And on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can find someone in your Discord. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, open up the Discord in your device. Once you open Discord, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, to add friends, simply click on this Add Friend from the menu bar at the top of this interface. There you can simply type in the Discord username of your friend. Make sure that you enter your correct username and simply click on Send Friend Request to send friend request to your friend. But if you don't have the username or if you don't know the username, so here is how you can add. First of all, you have to turn on the developer mode in your Discord. For that, go to your settings. Here, scroll down a bit and there you will find advanced option. Click on advanced and here make sure that your developer mode is turned on. If it is turned off, simply turn on this by tapping on the toggle right here. Once you do that, now go back to your home page. Now another way to find friends in Discord is to copy their user ID and then simply use discord.id to identify the username. So for that, what you have to do is you should have the user ID of your friend. Suppose I will go with my own ID. Click on this settings icon right here. Here in this section, click on this three dot icon and then click on copy user ID. Now once you copy your user ID, open up the new tab and type in discord.id. That will open up this interface. Here simply paste the ID that you have recently copied and then click on look up. Then click on press to start. After you do that, the username will be loaded in your interface. So you can simply copy this username and then send friend request. So this is how you can find friend in Discord. That's all for today's video and I hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.